Welcome back to the iBiomed Design Studio. As an iBiomed student, you'll have the opportunity to use 3D printers in Design Studio for your projects. 3D printers are a great technology and will enable you to create many complex and amazing geometries that would usually take days for a professional to manufacture. This safety video and accompanying guide will help show you how to use the 3D printer in a safe and timely manner in order to allow you to express your creativity and innovation in a more advanced and fun way. The standard operating procedures, also known as SOPs for the 3D printer, can be accessed on your course website. When using the 3D printers, please be mindful of pinching and burning hazards. The 3D printers used in the iBiomed Design Studio are Prusa 3D printers. Something important to remember is that printers do fail, and success is heavily dependent upon user input, so please pay careful attention to the following instructions. Here, you can see the 3D printer's extrusion nozzle. Always treat the extrusion nozzle as if it's dangerously hot while the printer is in motion. Do not reach inside the machine. Always wait until the machine says the print surface is below 35 degrees Celsius before removing a print. This is the tool that you will use to remove your prints once they are completed. Always aim the sharp end of the removal tool away from yourself. Do not attempt to repair the machine if it appears to be broken. Notify a staff member and they will take care of it. Tampering with the machine or trying to fix it improperly may cause a fire. Now that we have covered the basic safety rules, we will go over how to correctly use the machine. We will first cover how to load the SD card. You will first upload your prints from the computer onto the SD card. Be careful not to break the card or reader, as they can be easily broken if you aren't careful. If the reader is broken or you drop your SD card into a space that is not easily retrievable, ask a staff member for assistance. Remember to only use Prusa Slicer software when preparing print files for the Prusa. Never load or unload the filament yourself. Always ask a staff member for loading and unloading filament. You should never level a printer's printing surface. Incorrectly leveled print surfaces are the #1 cause of failed prints and broken printers. They're usually caused by students who adjust the print surface without asking a staff member. If you believe a print surface needs to be leveled, please ask an employee and they will assist you. We will now cover how to start a print. Once your SD card is correctly inserted, you are ready to print. Use the arrow keys and navigate the menu and begin the print. You are required to watch the first few layers of the print to see if it fails, which can take 5 to 10 minutes. If you follow all these rules, you can expect a safe and easy printing experience. If any issues do arise, please let a staff member know. Now that you know the basics about using a 3D printer, iBiomed wishes you happy printing.